Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in this gated estate that is exactly 35 minutes from Nairobi CBD when you use the southern bypass, and we are in Kikuyu locality. This estate is exactly 8 minutes from Kikuyu town and it has been done very well. It comes with 12 units. Only 50% is sold and the prices are starting from 22 million Kenya shillings. Each unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot of land like this one, and each unit has a print area of 265 square meters. The units are separated from each other by a perimeter wall, as you can see, and on top of that you are getting a live fence that will be grown by the time you are coming to purchase these units. So if you would want to purchase any of them, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. For the other details, add the photos of these units. Make sure you check our website africanrealestate.com. Right now we are at the parking area and it has been designed to fit 6 cars. But if you have less, the space can be used for any other thing that you would want. On my far front, you have the green space, which is the front yard, and it extends on the other side to meet with the backyard where you have the clotheslines area and the back porch. Before we continue, tell me what you think about this estate. Do you think it is beautiful enough to fit your character or your style? If it is, you'll need to call us because you need to kunyakua one of these units. If you think it's not, what would you suggest to the developer so that they can improve next time they are doing such an estate? Make sure you comment that. Each home is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion, and each home comes with a separate employee quarters and also an outside toilet. I'll take you inside and you'll see one of them. Before I take you inside, each unit comes with an entrance porch, and on top of it you have the primary balcony. There are several amenities that you get when you purchase these units. First, you get a solar water heater as standard. There is also a provision of solar connectivity, and also you are getting 2 sources of water, where one of them is from the Kanjo and the other one is from a borehole. I'll take you inside. The main entrance of each unit comes with this mahogany door. It is very strong and very durable, and it welcomes you to this foyer. The foyer space has been done very well, and it gives you an access to the upper level through this mahogany staircase. On my far right, you have the access to the employee quarters and the guest bedroom. We will see that later. What we are going to see right now is the main living room. This is a lovely space and I love it because it would easily fit a 9-seater couch. The TV area is supposed to be this side where you can fit about 65 inches of a TV or a projector, and also you have some 2 windows to make sure that this area is very lit. You have a massive window on this other side to direct the light to the bigger part of this living room. During the night, you will get the light from the side lights and the center light. The living room is opening to the dining area, which is also a massive space to fit your family and friends. The space would easily fit a 5-seater all the way to an 8-seater dining set, and I'm loving it that the developer was very intentional when he did this dining space. Let's talk about its spec. The dining space comes with these 2 big windows to give you enough natural light as you are enjoying your delicacies. The space also opens to the kitchen on the other side through this opening, which can be used as a serving area of the foods that you'll be enjoying. You have a door here that can be used to access the kitchen, and the quality of the craftsmanship in this dining area shows that the developer has enough knowledge and enough experience to deliver houses. Just look at these tiles. You can see that the pattern of the tiles runs across the dining area all the way to the living room, and the same patterns goes through the foyer to the guest bedroom. That is very nice. You can see the color is very plain, and it welcomes you to this peaceful environment that feels very homely because everything is blending with each other. Right now we are in the kitchen and it is big, done very well. I'm loving the combination of the upper and lower cabinetry. The serving space has been done very well and it is big enough to serve the big meals, especially in holidays or when you are celebrating something. Behind me, you have the washing area and it comes with a double sink and a drying space. It is next to the massive window that we have in this kitchen, and below it you have an extra space where you can keep some kitchen fixtures, maybe like a small dustbin. Here you have the cooking area and it comes with an oven, a 5-burner cooktop, a heat extractor and some spaces where you can keep your spices, or maybe you are cooking cutlery. Very interesting. The kitchen comes with this space which should act as a mini pantry, and this is where you should keep the things that you regularly require in the kitchen. If this space is not enough, you have the main pantry on this side where you should keep all your dry foods, and it has been partitioned very well to fit all of them. This is the space for your refrigerator and it is big enough to fit a double door. This door opens to the laundry area, a space that has been done very well to fit 2 washers. That's why you see we have 2 inlets and 2 outlets. So if you have a big family and you want to wash your clothes within the shortest time, this is a good space where you can install 2 washing machines. You also have a set of sockets here and here to make sure that everything has been supplied with electricity without any need of an extension. From the laundry area, right now we are at the kitchen porch, and next to me you have the clothes area, and on my far front you have the kitchen garden. Behind me you have the extended part of the parking space. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, we are at the center of the unit, and next to me you have the common washroom, the employee quarters and the guest bedroom. Just come and see them. The common washroom comes with a vanity and you have a WC. The space has been done very well and I'm loving it that the developer included a floor trap there just in case the water pours in this space. Next to it you have the employee quarters and it is big enough to fit a 4x6 bed. The half closet will be installed here and that will be a sufficient space for employee clothes. The employee bathroom is outside and it also doubles as the outside toilet. I'll take you back inside. From the employee quarters, we are in the guest bedroom and it has been done very well. This space would easily fit a 5x6 bed. You have the guest closet on this other side, partitioned very well with spaces for the foldable clothes and some spaces for the hangable clothes. If the guests have numerous number of shoes, they can always keep them on that side. The guest space also comes with a mirror and the guest bathroom is next to me. It is just similar to the other bathrooms that I'll show you in this unit. The only difference is that this one is slightly smaller. For 22 million Kenya shillings, such a staircase should be standard. It has been done very well. I love the smell and the feel of mahogany, and it makes this unit look very expensive and feel so too. On this side of the upper level, you have the first and the second kids' bedrooms, and on my far front, which is that wing, that's where you have the primary bedroom. We will start with this side. The first kids' bedroom is the smallest. It is slightly bigger than the guest bedroom, though it has been oriented differently. The mirror is on this side. You can see we have some side lights and a center light. The window is slightly bigger and the closet is massive compared to the one that we saw in the guest bedroom. The partitionings have done similarly. The quality of closets is very high and I'm loving it that you are getting a floor to ceiling closet. This is the bathroom. It comes with a WC on this side, a tissue holder next to it, a toothbrush holder next to the wash basin. Behind me you have the towel holder, and this is the shower cubicle which comes with a small shower. These showers have been connected to the solar water heaters that is on the rooftop. If the first bedroom on this level was targeting the younger children, then this bedroom is targeting your teenagers. It is big, sufficient to fit a 6x6 bed, and the closet, as you can see from there, has been done very well. It has been separated by this space which can be used for your shoes or it can be used for the foldable clothes. You have one set of closet on this side and another set of closet on this other side. So if you have children who like sharing a room, this would be a perfect space for them. The window to this bedroom is over there. You have a mirror next to me, and behind me you have the bathroom. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to the other bathroom that we saw in the first bedroom. The only difference is that this one comes with a shaving right, and that truly shows that this one is targeting your teenagers who are in their puberty. If we were to discuss the highlight of this unit, we would talk about this primary bedroom. It is the biggest, it has been done very well. It gives you an ample space to do your king size or a queen size bed, and on this other side, you can do your small electronics like a TV or a coffee maker. On my far front, you have the walk-in closet. It is the biggest that we have seen this month, and it is next to the primary bathroom. But before we see all that, behind me you have two big windows to give you enough natural light, and next to them you have the primary balcony. There are two things to discuss about this balcony. First is the views that you get from here. The estate is very beautiful. Like in this estate, as I mentioned before, you have 12 neighbors and everyone is in their own compound. The beauty of this estate is just on another level. Then there is the space of the balcony, which would easily fit a hammock, and because it faces the west, you would easily enjoy the evening sunset from this space. Here you have an access that separates the sleeping area from the bathroom areas, and at the start of the bathroom areas you have one part of the closet. The other one is on my left hand side, and as you can see, the closet has been done very well. This is targeting your shoes, and it has been partitioned to fit most of them. Next, you have the primary bathroom. It comes with RWC at the entrance. You have a big vanity on my far right. Behind me, you have the biggest shower cubicle we have seen in this unit, and you are also getting a double toothbrush holder. This is the other part of the walk-in closet, and it comes with wardrobes all over. At the center, you have a dresser which comes with some drawers for your makeups, your jewelries, or maybe your watches. You have a frosted glass to give you enough natural light as you are doing your makeup, and also a shaving light if you want to get the details. Opposite the walk-in closet window, you have a mirror on this side, and it is very important because when a mirror is opposite to a window, it gives you a lot of details, especially when you want to look at yourself in details. The only problem is that this mirror is slightly lower than the taller people in the community. So tell me, what do you think about this closet? Is it big enough to fit all your clothes? Do you think that the developer should have done anything more to make the primary bedroom a better place than it is right now? If you think there is something you can contribute to that, make sure you comment down there. And if this is your dream home, also make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. We have come to the end of the video, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, remember to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Bye bye.